As a business in Washington State, there are requirements that you need to be aware of to prevent pollution. Simple changes in workplace behaviors and operations can make meaningful improvements to our environment. When it rains, rainwater flows across hard surfaces like parking lots, sidewalks, and roads. It picks up whatever it touches, including pollution, and flows into storm drains and underground pipes, which lead directly to the nearest wetland, stream, or lake. Pollution in stormwater comes from many sources, such as car leaks, leaking dumpsters, and vehicle, building, and property washing. While not all threats are big, sometimes more toxic pollutants also enter the environment. In 1972, the Clean Water Act made access to fishable and swimmable waters a right for everyone who lives in the United States. Together, we can limit the pollution entering our natural waters. This begins with simple changes in workplace behaviors. This video is your go-to tool for ensuring everyone at work understands business's role in preventing pollution and how individual actions make a difference. From housekeeping to the loading and unloading of products, pollution prevention starts with employee actions. Everyone working at your business should remember it is a violation of state and federal law to dispose of any liquids or solids to the ground or through a stormwater system. Remember, only rain should go down the drain. Ensure that this video is reviewed by all staff annually and offer it as a training when new employees are hired. There are a lot of drains and pipes in our homes, workplaces, and community. Not all of them carry the same thing. For example, your sink and toilet are connected to sanitary sewer pipes or septic systems. The drains on streets and parking lots carry rainwater back to streams, lakes, or wetlands. These drains are called storm drains. They are designed to prevent flooding and property damage, not remove pollutants. Only rain down the drain. To help prevent stormwater pollution, businesses, property managers, or property owners must regularly check and remove debris and pollutants from storm drains. This also helps prevent flooding from clogged drains. If you find that your storm drains are more than 50% full, they need to be cleaned immediately. One approach to reducing the amount of debris that enters storm drains is to sweep parking lots regularly to collect leaves, dirt, and garbage. If a spill enters a storm drain, or you see sheen, bubbles, or anything other than rainwater, it needs to be cleaned up immediately. When it comes to storage at your business, it is important to consider what you are storing outside. Does it need to be stored outside? If so, it should be undercover and in containers that will not leak. Some liquids, like oils, grease, or chemicals, may also require a second container placed underneath them. This is called secondary containment and acts as a safety measure to prevent any leaks or spills from reaching the environment. For secondary containment to work, it cannot fill with rain or snow. Whenever possible, do not store liquids outside. And always label containers and tightly close lids between use. Garbage areas can also be a source of pollution. Always keep your dumpster and container lids closed. When dumpster lids are left open, rainwater can become polluted and flow into the nearest storm drain. Cleaning floors, equipment, buildings, and vehicles creates wastewater. Wastewater should be disposed of into the sanitary sewer. Never let wastewater enter a storm drain. Even environmentally friendly, all-natural, and biodegradable soaps can harm fish and wildlife and should not flow into storm drains. In some cases, wastewater can be disposed of to isolated landscape areas where it will soak into the ground and will not flow to ditches or streams. Food establishments should have grease traps in their sewer system. Grease traps are designed to reduce grease and food waste in their sewer system. Gas stations and industrial facilities like auto or machine shops should have an oil-water separator. Proper maintenance of grease traps and oil-water separators prevents sewer backups and overflows into the stormwater system. If you have floor drains inside your building, verify they are connected to the sewer system and not the storm system. This can be done by reviewing the building's drawings. Interior drains connected to the storm system are illegal and should be connected to the sewer system or sealed immediately. Contact your local public works department for more assistance. If your facility is on septic, call your public health agency for guidance on wastewater disposal. Spills, leaks, and drips happen, even if it's an accident. Businesses are required to be prepared to stop spills, leaks, and drips and clean them up before pollutants enter the storm drain. Being prepared to clean a spill includes having an emergency spill plan posted, staff trained, and cleanup materials on hand. A spill plan is specific to your business and should include an inventory of on-site materials that could be spilled, instructions on how to safely clean a spill, and proper disposal instructions. Sometimes you may need professional help cleaning up a spill, and you may need to report it to a regulatory authority. These important phone numbers should be included in your spill plan. You can purchase a spill kit or you can assemble it yourself. It should include absorbents like spill pads, kitty litter, or towels. It should also include disposal tools and safety equipment. Both the spill and the cleanup materials should be collected and disposed of properly. Pollution prevention starts with each of us. Only rain down the drain. Each of us doing our part will go a long way towards protecting human health, animals, and the environment. To find out if there is further assistance available for your business regarding pollution prevention, please visit ecology.wa.gov/PPA. Thank you for helping to keep our streams and lakes clean and for protecting Washington. Small changes make a big difference.